Yeah, while talking about the journey, you actually touched very humble point. I would like to hear more on that. That yeah, you were having those little pleasures. You know that what's the value of those tiny things, those little moments with family and being closer with them. So that is sort of like we are missing nowadays in this age of internet, in this age of social media. Like even sitting at the dining table, people, all the family members are looking at the mobile and just scrolling down social media. So they are missing a lot. We understand. Actually, somehow they also understand. But at that time, I can say that was sort of blessing, maybe. So, like, how do you see this phenomena, and what would you like to suggest now, like this generation who is more busy and like not that much grateful for they are having already? What, like, few suggestions and few more insights on this from your side?
Right. So, you're absolutely right. कभी-कभी बोलते हैं ना, there is blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
So probably उस टाइम में मेरे ज़माने में, I can say this because I'm 53 now. So मेरे ज़माने में we had nothing called internet. इंटरनेट तो छोड़िए, लैंडलाइन फोन नहीं होता था हमारे घर. इंटरनेट तो बहुत दूर की बात है. And maybe we had no choice. उस टाइम में हमारे पास कोई चॉइस ही नहीं था. तो आप अपना वर्क, how do you spend your time? You make friends, you play cricket, you play marbles and every possible street game you play. Right? You did. I mean, few things that we did was like in the afternoon. I'm not saying this is something nice things to do, but we did that. Like in the afternoon, if somebody's house you see a lot of fruits hanging on the tree and the landlady is sleeping, you quietly jump into the wall and climb the tree and pluck those. अगर आज मैं देखूँ तो चोरी हुई, right? It was stealing. Yeah, but those were some amazing. I'm not advocating that we should steal anything, but just the thought of climbing the tree and having those. So probably we never had any choice, And today we are in digital age. Now, बोलते हैं ना, हर चीज, everything looks good when used up to an extent. Now, obviously, digital life has taken over everything right now.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
You are absolutely right. The family time has gone for a toss. Everybody is busy on their laptops or mobiles. Even when you're going to a restaurant, you're sitting with friends and everybody is busy on their mobile. So the thing called conversation is completely lost.
Yep.
And what happens is sometimes these conversations are very, very important because these conversations can give you a lot of insights about what's happening around.
Exactly.
So yes, that is lot. तो मुझे क्या लगता है कि I think this will also go through a cycle, and a time will come when people will get tired of this and they say, oh, I'm missing conversations, I'm missing insights, I'm missing interaction. So I think, there is no right or wrong. Everybody decides for themselves. Yeah. But yes, I personally feel that in next 10, 15, 20 years, this will come a full circle and conversations will again come into practice. I think that's very, very important and it's going to happen. And that is one. So, but my message to everybody is that yes, digital age is very important. अगर आज डिजिटल नहीं होता तो इस तरीके से आप कहीं और बैठे हैं, मैं कहीं और बैठा हूँ, and we are doing this show right now. Sure. So digital has a lot of advantages, but my message to everybody is use digital, but do not abuse it to the extent that you lose touch with your friends, you lose touch with your family, etc. Like one of the things that I do, and I'm very proud of it, and something. So take for example, these days when there are birthdays and anniversaries, you just तो पहले शुरुआत में आप मैसेज करते थे हैप्पी बर्थडे, अभी आप उतना भी नहीं लिखता, HPD लिख के भेज देते हो. तो मेरी एक लिस्ट में कुछ लोग हैं, मेरे फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज, जिनको मैं मैसेज कभी नहीं डालता. आई विल ऑलवेज कॉल देम एज अ प्रैक्टिस. राइट? मुझे लगता है कि यार पीपल, सो आई थिंक हर इंसान के लाइफ में ये लिस्ट है, जिनको ना आप मैसेज ना करें, उनको आप कॉल करके विश करें. एटलीस्ट यू हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. You make that other person feel how important you are in my life, that I don't want to, and I tell them also. और वो जब तक फोन नहीं उठाते हैं तब तक मैं मैसेज ही नहीं करता उनको, भले वो पूरा दिन निकल जाए without wishing them birthday. They will have missed calls from me. They know why I have called. So I think at least this is one thing that every individual at least to start with can say that, okay, I have this list of 10, 15, 20 people,
Yeah.
उनके कोई भी life में milestone हो, whether it is birthday, anniversary या कुछ उन्होंने achieve किया हो, rather than writing on social media, congratulations, or rather than, sending a message,
Yeah.
please call them and wish them. Believe me, they will value your voice, and that's priceless.
Amazing, sir. Actually, yeah, that's true. Actually, if we are practicing this kind of thing at regular basis, that this makes relationships stronger and more touching. Like so, and that's incredible. That's essential part of life.